Hello, today we are going to look at how you can make your own iridescent watercolours by using Winsor & Newton Iridescent Watercolour Medium. I've chosen 3 colours so you can see the iridescent effect on each. In these masked off squares, I'll paint the top 3 with watercolour directly from the tube, diluted with a bit of water. Winsor Violet Dioxazine, Lemon Yellow, Winsor Orange Red shade. Now I'll mix the same watercolours with our iridescent watercolour medium and paint the bottom 3 squares. Next, I'm simply going to apply iridescent medium over the edge of the top 3 squares. Now it's dry, you can see in the bottom 3 squares how it's possible to create your own iridescent watercolour by adding the Winsor & Newton medium to any colour you choose. With the top squares, look how the brush stroke creates an iridescent shimmer in the light on both the painted area and the paper. This technique is great to transform areas of an existing watercolour painting. I hope you enjoy experimenting and making your own iridescent watercolours.